Make a great choice today with
the 2024 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.